Good evening, moms.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 8th chapter quadrilaterals. Today we will learn the exercise 8.2 all problems and solutions. Today we will learn it in Telangana State Book page number 181. Yeah. Are you understood of the previous class? 8.4 parallelogram and their properties. The topics it's over. Based on the parallelogram, how many theorems are there? Total theorems?
Total theorems 6.
6. In previous class, how many theorems are finished?
4.
4 theorems are finished only. So, are you understood of the 4 theorems? 8.1 to 8.4. All theorems
Yes.
it's over. Are you understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Based on those are topics, today we will learn the exercise problems. Yeah, these lot is already tick in this one. First, let us see the textbook. This is the 8.1 theorem. Okay, a diagonal of a parallelogram divides into two congruent triangles. That is the 8.1 theorem. And next 8.2. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Parallelogram means is the what's that? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral. In which the both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal only, and opposite angles also equal. We know that one. Those are properties. This is the parallelogram is the special type of parallel quadrilateral only. So that's why properties it's over. Parallelogram properties all are properties it's over in previous class. Theorem 8.3 is the if each pair of opposite sides of quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. Next, what about your 8.4 theorem? In quadrilateral, if each pair of opposite angles are equal, then it is a parallelogram. Okay, these are the theorems. All 4 theorems it's over. In previous class it's over. Yeah, today we will learn the exercise 8.2 in Telangana State Book. Okay, yeah, first look at the textbook, be carefully, listen better neatly. First problem, in the adjacent figure ABCD is a parallelogram and ABEF is a rectangle, show that triangle AFD congruent to triangle BEC. Yeah, this is the question one. Yeah, first I will explaining this one, what is given, what is asked. Yeah, this is the adjacent figure is give. This is the figure is give. What is give? ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD. Yeah, 2 figures there only in this one only. Okay. This adjacent figure is how many figures are there? 2 figures are there. One is the ABCD is a parallelogram and ABEF is a rectangle. 2 figure. How many figures are there? 2 figures are there. Yeah, these is given only. And next we have to show the triangle of AFD. And another triangle BEC. Okay, how many triangles are there in this figure, given figure? 2 triangles are there. So these 2 triangles, we have to show that these 2 triangles are congruent. Let us show that these 2 triangles congruent. Yeah, first given data, how to write it in our given problem. Given ABCD is a parallelogram and ABEF is a rectangle. To show that these 2 triangles are is it a congruent. Let us show that. Yeah, first the figure is given only. So let the solution for this problem. From this figure, one parallelogram is given and one rectangle is given. So from this figure, from this given figure, yeah, ABCD is a parallelogram is given. So ABCD is a parallelogram. This is the parallelogram. Okay. Parallelogram means is the both opposite sides are is it equal. So AB is equal CD, AD equal BC. So what's the AB is equal or parallel or equal. AB equals CD and AD equal what's the BC or parallel also. AB parallel to CD, okay, and AD is parallel to BC, okay, parallel and equal only. And rectangle ABEF. Rectangle means what's the rectangle? Rectangle, it is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are is it equal only. ABEF. Opposite sides are equal. So AB equal to EF and AF is equal to B. Okay. Yeah, here it is the what's the this is a rectangle only. So opposite sides are is it equal. So AB is equal EF. Okay, and what's the AF is equal B. Okay, this is the rectangle only. So yeah, next we have to show that these two triangles are congruent. Let us show that these two triangles. Let us take these two triangles. In triangle of, let us take these two triangles. What's the triangles? Triangle of AFD. And another triangle is triangle of BEC triangle. Okay, let us take these two triangles. And next, in these two triangles, AF is equal to BE. Why it is equal? These two sides, why it is equal? These two sides are opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Okay, so why it is equal? What's the reason? Are you understood? Since opposite sides of rectangle. What's the rectangle name? ABEF. Opposite sides are equal, so that's why these two sides are is it equal on. Next, AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. Why it is equal? These two sides are opposite sides. Opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. These two sides is parallelogram. What's the parallelogram? ABCD parallelogram. So AD is equal to BC. Okay. So this is the opposite sides. Sides of parallelogram. ABCD. Okay, are you clear? Next, DF is equal C. DF is equal to C. Why it is equal? What's the reason? First I will explaining this. Why it is equal, I will explaining this one only. Look at this figure. DF is equal is C. Why it is equal? So first CD is equal to, what's the CD equal to? CE plus ED or DE. Okay, are you clear? Here it is the CD is equal to, what's the? CE plus DE. Okay, are you clear? So CD equal to it is nothing but AB. CD equal to it is nothing but AB1. Okay, are you clear? Next, EF is equal ED plus DF. Okay, EF is equal to ED plus or DE plus DF. Okay, yeah, this is the EF, it is nothing but AB is equal. Okay, so in this one CD, AB is equal CD. So AB equal EF. So CD equal EF. Okay, are you clear? CD equal EF. CD in place of you will write it this one. What's the CD? CD is equal to CE plus DE equal to EF is equal to ED plus DF. Substitute these two only. CD it is nothing but CE plus DE, and EF it is nothing but ED plus DF. Left hand side, and this is the right hand side. So left hand side and right hand side, DE and DE is cancelled. We will get the C is equal DF. So this is the reason. So DF is equal to CE. Okay. What's the reason? Are you understood? So since AB is equal to CD is equal to CD, it is nothing but CE plus DE. Okay. Next, AB is equal to EF is equal to ED plus DF. This is the reason. Why it is equal? Are you understood? So these two are is it equal? Yeah. So in this two triangles, this is the side and next side. So all are the sides only, three sides. So which congruence rules are using here? It is yes, congruence rules. According to the SS congruence rules, these two triangles are, is it a, what's the congruent triangles only. These two triangles are congruent triangles. Here write it. Triangle of, therefore triangle of AFD is congruent to triangle of BEC. Why it is equal? Since what's the congruence rules are using here? It is SS congruence rule. According to this congruence rules, these two triangles are is congruent triangles. Yeah, check the order. AF is equal to BE. Okay, it's over. And AD equal to what's the BC only. And next DF is equal C. Okay, all are the sides. Sides are is it equal. So that's why this is all are the these two triangles are congruent only. So hence it is proved. Are you clear, Gagan Sai? Are you understood? AF is equal to what's the BE. These two sides are equal, and AD equal to BC, AD equal to BC, and next DF equal, what's that? DF is equal to EC. So that's why these two triangles are is it equal triangles only. So hence it is proved. Next, this problem solution is over, and next we'll move on to the next question. Second one, show that the diagonals of a rhombus divide it into four congruent triangles. Yeah, what is given in this given problem? Gagan Sai, one rhombus is given. So we have to show that the diagonals of a rhombus divided into four congruent triangles. We have to show that one. So first given data, how to write it in our given problem. Let us take ABCD is a rhombus is given, and next to show the diagonals of a rhombus divided it into four congruent triangles. We have to show that only. This is the, let us take first draw the one rhombus, ABCD rhombus. This is the rhombus. Do you know the rhombus? All sides are is it equal? Do you know all sides are is it equal? Yes, is it equal only? We know that only. This side and this side and this side and this side. All sides are is it equal? And in rhombus, how many diagonals are there? Two diagonals are there. What's the diagonals? AC and BD diagonal. These two diagonals are divided into, how many triangles divided?
Four.
In rhombus, four triangles are divided only. So these two diagonals are intersecting at point O point. O point. Here, diagonals, these two diagonals are perpendicular bisect to each other only. Perpendicular means is the 90 degrees. At point O point, 90 degrees only. All are the four angles is 90 degrees. Okay. Why? Because these two are is the perpendicular. All are the diagonals. Here it is that these two diagonals are perpendicular bisect to each other. So at point O point. So that's why each angle is 90 degrees only. Okay, are you clear? This is the rhombus only. We have to show that these. How to show that these four triangles congruent triangles. We have to show that. Let us show that these are four triangles, congruent triangles. Let us show that. First, let the solution for this problem. From this figure, from this given figure, ABCD is a one rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. In all sides, ABCD in rhombus means is all sides are is it equal. So what's the sides? AB is equal to BC equal CD equal DA. We know that one. Do you know this one, Gagan side? In rhombus, all sides are is it equal or not? Equal. We know that all. These all are the properties. It's over. Rhombus properties all are it's over in previous classes. So that's why we know that all our sides are is it equal. And next, diagonals. Let us take these two diagonals, AC and BD. Diagonals meet at point O point 1. Let diagonals, what's the diagonals? AC and BD. Diagonals meet at point O point. These two diagonals are intersecting at point O point. Okay. So and next I have to show that these four triangles only congruent. Let us show that one. Let us take two triangles. Let us take only any two triangles. First AOD triangle and next COD triangle. Okay. In triangle of AOD and next triangle of COD. Let us take these two triangles are is it a congruent or not? Congruent triangles. Let us show that one. So in this one, in these two triangles, AO is equal CO. AO is equal CO. These two diagonals are perpendicular bisect to each other only in rhombus. Okay. Diagonals. One more point here. Write it, Gagan side. Diagonals perpendicular bisect to each others. Bisect to each others. Bisect to each others means is the AO is equal OC. Okay. AO or OA is equal OC. And next OD is equal OB. OB is equal, what's that? OD. AO means it is nothing but OA. Okay. Are you clear? Now in diagonals perpendicular. What about the diagonals? Diagonals are perpendicular bisect to each other only. So these all is it equal only. So AO is equal CO. AO is equal CO. So these two are is it equal? Why it is equal? Are you understood? Diagonals perpendicular bisect to each other only. So equal. And next OD equal OD. OD is equal to OD. So these two triangles, in these two triangles, this is the common side only. Okay, why it is equal? This is the common side. Since this is the common side. And why it is equal in the above one? These two are since diagonals bisect to each others only. Diagonals perpendicular bisect to each other. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood, Gagan Sai? Next, one angle. What's the angle, or is it equal? Angle of AOD is equal to angle of COD. Why it is equal? This is also 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees and this is also 90 degrees at point O point. So why? Because here it is the diagonals are perpendicular and bisect to each others only. So that's why these two angles are is it equal only. What's the angles? Angle of AOD is equal to angle of COD. Why it is equal? These two are is the 90 degrees only. At point O point. Each angle 90 degrees at point O only. Okay. So here it is. What's that? This is the side, and next now here side one angle. So according to the SAS congruence rules, these two triangles are, is it a congruent? Yes, is it congruence only. So therefore, what's that? Therefore angle of AOD is congruence to triangle of COD. Why it is congruence? These two triangles, these two, according to the SAS congruence rule. These two triangles are, is it congruence only. Congruence triangles. Okay. AO and OD, these two sides one angle, included angle. Okay, are you clear? These two also OC and OD, one included angle. So these two triangles are, is it congruent triangles? Once you check it only. Are you clear? Yeah, it's over. And next another two triangles. Let us take these two triangles, AOD triangle and AOB triangle. Let us take these two triangles. In triangle AOD and another triangle is AOB triangle. Let us take these two triangles. In these two triangles, AO is common only. These two triangles, what's the common side? AO is equal to AO. Why it is equal? These two are is the, since these two are is the common side only. In these two triangles, this is the common side. And OD is equal to OB. OD is equal to OB. Why it is equal? These two are is the diagonals are perpendicular to each other only. Okay. Diagonals perpendicular bisect to each other. So these two are, is it equal only. Next, what about another angle? Another angle is the AOD is equal to AOB. Why it is equal? These two angles are, is it equal 90 degrees. Each angle is the 90 degrees at point O only. So that's why angle of AOD is equal to angle of AOB. Why it is equal these two angles? Each 90 degree angle at point O. Okay, are you clear? So now here this is the side and side one angle. So according to the SAS congruence rules, these two triangles are is congruent triangles only. Therefore triangle of AOD is congruent to triangle of AOB. Okay, are clear? Why it is congruent, these two triangles? According to the ACAS congruence rule. Once check it, is it correct or not? AO is equal, order check it, AO is equal AO. AO, these two triangles is AO is common side only. Next, OD, OD is equal to OB, OD is equal to OB. So, okay, and next angle, angle is included angle. Okay, this side and this side included angle. Okay, this side and this side, this is the included angle. So, yeah, these two triangles are is congruent triangles only. AOD is congruent to COD and AOB. And next, what about this triangle? Is it congruent? Let us show that only. Let us take these two triangles, AOD and BOC. In triangle AOD and triangle of BOC triangle. Okay. Yeah, here in these two triangles AO is equal BO. Here it is the AO is equal BO. Well, another side here it is the AD is equal BC only. AD is equal BC. One side, this side is equal only. AD equal BC. These two sides are is parallel and equal only. So, whenever the two sides are is parallel, this is the transversal. AC is the transversal only. So, here it is the alternative interior angles are is it equal. Okay. These two alternative interior angles are is it equal, and these two alternative interior angles are is it equal only. What's the angle A is equal to angle C only. Why it is angle A is equal to angle C? These two are is the alternative interior angles. Okay. Interior angles. Or is it equal only? Here it is the, what's the AD? AD is parallel to BC. So, AC is transversal. Are you clear? Are you understood? And next, what's the one angle is equal only. What's the angle is equal? AOD. AOD angle is equal to angle of BOC. Why it is equal? AOD. AOD is equal to angle of BOC. Why it is equal? These two are is the each angle, each 90 degrees at point O. Okay, are clear? So, these two are is the 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees only at point O point. So, that's why these two angles are is it equal. So, now here one side, two angles. Side angle, angle. So, yeah, what's the according to the ASA congruence rules? These two triangles are is it a congruence? Yes, is it congruence triangles only. So, therefore, triangle of AOD is congruent to triangle of BOC. Why it is equal? These two are is the why it is congruent? According to the ASA congruence rule. Congruence rule, these two are is it congruence one. Okay. Yeah. First, these two triangles. Let us take, this is the equation number 1, and next another two triangles AOD and AOB. Yeah, let us take these two. This is the equation number 2, and next another two triangles is the AOD and BOC triangles. This is the equation number 3. From equation number 1 and 2 and 3, what we will get it? AOD is congruent to triangle of COD, and AOD is congruent of triangle AOB, and AOD is congruent of triangle BOC. So what we will conclude here? Triangle of AOD is congruent to triangle of COD, triangle of AOB, triangle of BOC. So all are the congruents. All are the triangles are is it congruent triangles. Okay. Are clear, Gagan Sai? Here no space, Gagan Sai. So I am write it here. It is Gagan Sai. Yeah, this is the second problem solution. Continue, here it is. Okay. From equation number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we get what we will get it. Okay, equation number 1. What's that? Triangle of AOD is congruent to triangle of COD is congruent to triangle of AOB is congruent to triangle of BOC. Okay, are you clear? From equation number 1, 2 and 3. Triangle of AOD is congruent to COD, AOB and BOC also. Okay, AOD is congruent to COD and AOB and BOC. So all are the 4 triangles are congruent only. So therefore, what is asked here? It is the diagonals of a rhombus is divided into how many congruent triangles here? 4 congruent triangles. Okay, divided into 4 congruent triangles only. Hence it is proved only. Okay, are you clear? So the diagonals. Therefore, the diagonals of a rhombus divide it into 4 congruent triangles. How many congruent triangles? 4 congruent triangles. It is proved. Yes, it is proved only. Please show that one. Show triangles. Hence it is proved. Okay, are you clear? Diagonals of a rhombus. These 2 diagonals is divided into how many triangles are divided? 4 triangles are divided only. So these 4 triangles, is it a congruent triangles? Yes, is it a congruent triangles only. It is proved only. Okay, let us take one by one triangle. Let us take only. So all are the triangles are is it congruent triangles. So hence it is proved only. So this problem solution is over. And next we will move on to the next question. Third question. In a quadrilateral ABCD, the bisector of angle C and angle D intersect at O. Prove that angle of COD equal of angle of A plus angle of B. This is the question. What is given, what is asked? First I will explain this question, Gagan Sai. What is given? One quadrilateral is given. That is the ABCD quadrilateral is given. Next, bisectors of angle C and angle D intersect at point O. Bisector means is the divided into equal parts only. These 2 are intersect at point O only. Let us prove this one only. Angle COD is equal of angle A plus angle B only. We have to prove this one only. Yeah, first diagram, given data, how to write it in our given problem. This is the given only. In quadrilateral ABCD, the bisector of angle of C and angle of D intersect at O, and to prove this one only. Okay? How to prove this one only? First draw the figure. First ABCD is a quadrilateral. Draw here. First draw the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral name is the ABCD quadrilateral. And next, bisector of C and D only. This is the bisectors. Yeah, these 2 are is the intersect at point O. Bisector means is the these 2 is the angle C is the how many divided into how many angles are is divided? 2 angles is divided only. And at point D is also divided into how many angles are divided? Here it is 2 angles are divided. Why it is 2 angles are divided? Here it is, this is the bisectors only. Bisectors means that 2 angles are divided only. So that's why these 2 angles are intersect at point O only. This is the O. Okay, in this figure, how many figures are there? One is the quadrilateral, another one is the triangle. This is the triangle. What's the triangle? COD, one triangle. What's the another figure? ABCD is a quadrilateral figure. Yeah, let us prove this one only. Angle of COD is equal to half of the angle A plus angle B. How to prove this? Yeah, be carefully, listen better, neatly. First, let the solution for this problem. From this figure, quadrilateral is give. What's the quadrilateral name? One quadrilateral ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral and the bisectors of C and D only intersect at point O. The bisector of angle C and angle D intersect at point O point. Okay. So, first quadrilateral. How many angles are there? Quadrilateral. 4 angles are there only. A, B, C, D angle. 4 angles. In triangle is the how many angles are there? 3 angles. O, C, D only. So, do you know the one property? Angle sum property. What's the angle sum property? In quadrilateral. Angle A plus sum of the 4 angles is equal to how much of angle?
360 degrees.
360 degrees. Do you know the angle sum property in triangle?
Yes.
What about the sum of the 3 angles is equal to how much?
180 degrees.
180 degrees. So apply that one only, angle sum property, or by using the angle sum property are using in this problem only. Okay, from these 2 figures same property are using in this problem only. So what's the property? Angle sum property are using only. First quadrilateral ABCD in quadrilateral. In ABCD is a one quadrilateral. Angle A plus angle B plus angle D, angle C plus angle D is equal how much? 360 degrees. Why it is equal? This is the angle sum property. Short form is A dot S dot P only. Okay. Sum of the 4 angles is equal to 360 degrees. We know that only. This property are using in this problem. So that's why this one only. So we want first in given problem what is asked? In angle COD is equal right hand side is half of the angle of A plus angle of B only. Right hand side is angle of A plus angle B only. So here it is the left hand side is there only, angle of A plus angle of B only. So these 2 angles are is will transposing to the RHS right hand side only. Okay, so left hand side we write it the angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degrees. Yeah, these 2 triangles will move on to the other sides. So plus these 2 angles are is the plus, after equal it becomes to the minus sign. So angle A plus angle B. Okay, are clear? Next. Yeah, this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. Dividing by 2 on both sides only. Okay. Now dividing by 2 on both sides. Okay, are clear? Why it is moved to other sides, angle A plus angle B, are you understood? In given question is asked in this is the right hand side only. How to prove this one only. So that's why move to these two angles are moved to other sides only. So dividing by 2 on both sides only. So angle C plus angle D by 2 is equal to 360 degrees by 2 minus of angle A plus angle B by 2 only. Here common 2 only, so individual write it only. Okay, are you clear? So angle of C plus angle of D by 2 is equal to now simplification. Here it is cancellation in the table of 2 table. Look at this notebook, Gagan, be careful, listen better neatly. 2 1 ja 2 and here it is the 2 1 ja 2 and left is 1 only. So here it is the 16. So 2 8 ja 16. 0 you write it only. Okay. 180 degrees. After cancellation we will get the 180 degrees only. So minus of angle of A plus angle of B by 2. Okay, this is the equation number 1 only. Okay, are clear? Yeah, next one. Yeah, this is the quadrilateral is over. Next, angle sum property are using in this triangle only. Let us take this triangle, COD triangle. Let us take the COD triangle. What's the same property are using in this triangle only? So, but now take this triangle only. In triangle of COD triangle. In COD triangle, angle C plus angle O plus angle O plus angle D only is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, are you clear? Here it is the angle C is not full angle only. This is the half only, divided by 2 only. So half only. So angle C by 2. Angle D is also how many angles are is there? Here it is the 2 angles only. In triangle only this part angle we want, here it is. Here this part is not included only. So half only. Angle of D by 2. Here it is the angle of C by 2 only. Let us take this triangle only. Okay, are clear? Yeah, another part is in quadrilateral is there, another angle. So that's why C by 2 and here it is the in triangle is angle of half angle only. So that's why angle D by 2. At D point half angle is there, not full angle only. Here it is the not full angle only. So angle O is full angle. At this angle is full angle is there. Okay, are clear? Why it is angle of sum of these all is the 3 angles is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is equal? Are you understood? Yes. What's the property are using in this problem? Same property, above property are using here. It is angle sum property.
Yes.
Are same property are using this one only. Okay. Okay, are clear? Are you understood? Angle of O, it is nothing but what's the angle of O? It is nothing but this is nothing but COD only.
Yes.
Angle of C, here it is this one only. Angle of C plus angle of D by 2. 2 is common only. So that's why angle of C plus angle of D by 2 plus angle of O, it is nothing but angle of COD equal to 180 degrees. Are you clear? Are you understood?
Yes.
So angle of C plus angle of D by 2 equal to 180 degrees plus before equal plus angle of COD after equal, it becomes to the minus of angle of COD. Yeah, this is the equation number 2. Why it is moved to other side, are you understood? In given question asked is the angle of COD is equal half of the angle of A plus B only. So that's why this angle is moved other side only. Why? Because this is the single only, full angle is there. But these two are is the half angles are there only. So that's why half angle is right at the left hand side. Full angle is move on to the other side only. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
This is the equation number 2 only. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. What we will get it? What we will get it? From equation number 1. Left hand side is angle of C plus angle of D by 2. And in equation number 2 also same only. So these LHS are is it both are is it equal only. So both are is it cancel. And next, what about the RHS side? RHS side is also equal only. Okay. LHS and from equation number 1 and 2 only. LHS is equal to the RHS only. So LHS part both are is it equal only. So cancel only. So remaining is the RHS part. RHS part is it equal. So from equation number 1, angle of yeah 180 degrees minus of angle of A plus angle of B by 2 is equal to what's the RHS part is equal only. From equation number 1, second equation is the RHS part is this one only. Okay, this is the equation number 1, this is the equation number 2 only. So both are is it equal only. Yeah, cancellation on both sides, 180 degrees only. So cancel of these two only. Left is minus terms and minus term, both sides is cancel only. Yeah, left is, what's the left is? Here it is, angle of COD is equal to angle of A plus B by 2 only. Okay, are you clear? Angle of COD is equal to angle of A plus angle of B by 2. It is nothing but half of the angle of A plus angle of B only. It is proved? Yes, it is proved only. In given question, what we needed to prove here, it is this one only. How? So it is proved? Yes, is it proved? Therefore, angle of COD is equal half of the angle of A plus angle of B only. So hence it is proved. Is it proved? Both sides.
Yes.
RHS is equal to LHS is equal to RHS.
Yes.
Both sides is it proved?
Yes.
Yeah, proved. Once you check it only. Yeah, this is the given question. Angle of COD is equal to angle of this half of the angle of A plus angle of B only. So your both sides is it proved only. So hence it is proved. Are you clear? Are you understood? Yeah, this is the third problem solution is over. Are you any doubts
No doubts.
in this problem? Yeah, here today is a 1 to 3 problems. It's over. In this exercise is also it's over. Are you understood? Only 3
Yes.
problems are there in this exercise. Very simple exercise. There are these 3 problems. It's over. This exercise is over. Yeah, today is my class. It's also it's over. Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Say thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe. Say bye.